This is going to be a video tutorial on how to reset the settings on the Epic Privacy Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Epic Privacy Browser opened up now. To reset your settings, you want to first go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Reset Settings. Click on Reset Settings. Then on the center pane, it says Reset Settings. It says Are Epic Features Not Working? Click on that. A little pop-up will appear. It says Reset Epic. This action will reset some Epic Privacy Browser settings and Epic Privacy Browser shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, bookmarks history, and save passwords won't be affected. You would click on Reset Settings. That is how to reset your settings on the Epic Privacy Browser. Thanks for watching.